one small step, then one more. I don't need to know it all. I just answer when words call. I take my time, I do my best. Learning step by step feels best.
I start with the words I use each day. Hello, thank you, yes, okay. Short sentences help me speak, even when my English feels weak. Little steps help me see English grows inside of me. I don't rush, I don't stress. I learn English with less mess.
Step by step I move along.
Slow and steady feels so strong.
I am learning step by step. Every day I make progress. I listen, read, and speak with care. Learning English feels fair. I am learning step by step. Small steps help me do my best. I hear English clear and kind. Simple sounds stay in my mind. I repeat them soft and slow. I feel my confidence grow. Practice helps me understand. English fits into my plan.
Some days easy, some days hard. Every step is still a start. Mistakes help me learn again. They are part of every plan. I keep going calm and kind. English learning feels just fine.
I accept where I am now.
I don't ask when or how.
Step by step I stay on track.
Every word comes slowly back.
I am learning step by step. Every day I make progress. I listen, read, and speak with care. Learning English feels fair. I am learning step by step. Small steps help me do my best. One word more than yesterday is a step along the way.
Little progress every day helps my English grow and stay.
I study English bit by bit. Short and simple, that is it. I review what I already know. I let my learning gently flow. Good habits help me stay learning English every day. I feel better with each step.
Every effort I accept.
I don't compare, I don't race.
I learn English at my pace.
Step by step I clearly see
Who I am learning English to be.
I am learning step by step. Every day I make progress. I listen, read, and speak with care. Learning English feels fair. I am learning step by step. Small steps help me do my best. I keep learning step by step. I'm proud of all the steps I've kept with patience, time, and gentle care. I learn English everywhere.